Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to create a simple loop on a bead. So you're going to go ahead and string your head pin or your eye pin through the bead, and then we're going to create a 90-degree angle with our wire. And so the next step is clipping off any excess wire, because we only need as much as our loop needs to be. So go ahead and clip that off. And then about 1/3 of the way down from your plier, go ahead and grab on to the end of the wire. And what we're doing is we're just wrapping the wire around the bail of the plier. And this seems difficult, and it might be difficult the first few times, but once you do it a few times, you're gonna get the hang of it, and it's super simple. So that's all there is to it, guys.